You could develop a disorder where your body forgets how to
make skin.
Yeah, people will literally start shedding layers faster than they can make them, like a living burn victim. Facts that sound fake but are real. You can literally die from a broken heart. It's called Takotsubo cardiomyopathy. It's where your heart literally changes shape under extreme emotional stress. People who survive nearly fatal lightning strikes sometimes hear the radio through the fillings in their teeth. Yes, that's real. There's a disorder called prosopometamorphopsia. That. Anyway, it makes faces look demonic to you. Warped, stretch, melting. Even your own face in the mirror. Have you ever heard of internal decapitation? It's where your skull separates from your spine, but the connective tissue keeps you alive. Hey, in extremely cold weather, your corneas can just freeze over.
Hello, my precious.